demi-plié combination. Preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do 2 demis in first. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. You're gonna tendu your foot to Alice cone to second position. Lower the heel, you're gonna do 2 demis again. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Same leg is gonna do a tendu again and go into third position. You're gonna do 2 demis, demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Same foot is gonna tendu back out to Alice cone. Come into 5th position, 2 demis, demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Tendu back to 1st position and do it all again for the other side. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Tendu to 2nd. Tendu to 3rd. Tendu to 5th. Tendu back to 1st and finish.